So basically what we're going to do is go finish the dialogue, and then we'll do some of the exercises, um, and then we can re-explore the topic a little bit. Okay. So let's go to lesson 19. Which was, I think, page 105. Right? Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh, you have the other one. Is that book 2 though? Book 2, right? Yeah. So does that have all of the harakas every single lesson? Okay. I think that book only has it up to like lesson, like one of the last few lessons, right? Right, like this lesson probably has the harakas and stuff. Yeah, it has for all the lessons. I think except the last. So we'll go to like the lesson 22 or something.
Yeah, I looked at book 2 and book there. It wasn't there.
There wasn't there. So do you have the other books for that?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. How many? So there's 3, right?
3.
Okay. And you ordered them online?
Yeah, I ordered them online from India.
Oh, from India. Wow. Yeah, I was looking for them. Actually, I saw the first one in the IAPH store.
Oh, this one is
Yeah,
there?
that one was there, but they don't have. He doesn't have the other 2.
In Amazon bookstore,
Amazon has it.
Yeah, all the 3.
How much is it?
They were 39, and then
That's
from
not
India
bad.
it was a lot cheaper.
Yeah,
$3,
yeah.
$4 per. So, but the shipping charge is what
More.
makes it expensive. That's why I ordered all of the sets together.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Brother Salim, we're over here. All right. So let's start the dialogue. So it's only one page, so we'll read the whole thing again. Okay. I'll start with Al-Mudir. It's not طلاب. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله. طالبا. يا شيخ. Okay. What does that mean?
How many new students in your class? Yeah.
Oh, sheikh. Right? And so we said come whatever in the mansub form means how many, right? So if I say how many chairs, how would I say how many chairs? Kam kursiyan, right? And what if I wanted to say in this classroom? This class. So you fi and then this class. هذا هذا الفصل, right? So كم كرسيا في هذا الفصل, how many chairs in this classroom? How would I say how many cars, Brother Paul? سيارة tan, right? So it's you use the indefinite form with the tanween, right? So سيارة tan, كم كرسيا, كم سيارة. And how would you say how many cars in the street are in the street? How do you say street? Shari, right? So how do you say how many cars are in the street? Fish shari, right? Fish shari, good. How do you say how many whiteboards for the Najmun?
How many whiteboards?
Yeah. Or chalkboards or whatever.
Saburatan.
Kam saburatan, right? So if I want to say how many chalkboards do you have? How would you say that?
Saburatan fi.
No. You have. So how do you say you have or I have or something? So we use. You said li, but it's not li. It's the other one to denote like possession. Or inda, right? So how do you say you have or with you? You. What are all the attachable pronouns? So for third person, you have who, huma, and whom. And then for she, you have ha, huma, and hunna. And then what do you have for you? Like if I say ka, right? So you have ka. And then for two, huma, and then kum. And then for you, female, ki, and then kuma, and then kunna, right? And then for me, what do you say? No. Ya mutakallim. So we're going to review this. Okay, that's why it's good to review. Okay. So if I want to say, if I say with you or you have, if I'm talking to a male, I'm going to say inda, indaka, right? And if I say with all of you, and I'm talking to them, but there's a group of them, what am I going to say? Inda men, indakum, right? How do you say with me or I have? Indi. And then how do you say he has or with him? Indahu, right? So when you attach inda to any of these, it means that he has or she has or I have or you have, right? So go ahead and conjugate all of them. Good. Indakunna. Indi. Indana. So the word or the harf is inda. So whatever you say, indaki, indakuma, indakunna.
Is there a song to learn these?
Yes.
There is.
Yeah, there's a song. Want to hear it?
Yeah, I mean,
All you have to do is just use a sing-song voice. Indahu, indahuma, indahum, indaha, indahuma, indahunna, indaka, indakuma, indakum, indaki, indakuma, indakunna, indi, indana. There you go.
is that really a song or?
Yeah, it's a song. You can do it with anyone. Ready? Let's do it with min. Do a sing along. Minhu, minhuma, minhum. Minha, minhuma, minhunna. Minka, minkuma, minkum. Minki, minkuma, minkunna. Minni, minna. There you go. You got it. Do it for everything. سيارته قلمه كتابه. Make a song out of it. Okay, so we said how many boards do you have? How would you say that? عندك, right? Okay. Next line, مدرس, Brother Paul. المدرس, line number 2.
فيه that one. فيه عشرة طلاب
جدد. Okay. What's فيه?
فيه
In it.
in it.
What's he referring to? The classroom, right? So why is it fihi when this says who? Right? If you attach fi to who, why does it become fihi?
Because it's possessed.
No. The who, what did we say about these 5? The dhamma can change to a kasra, right? So if I have fi and I want to attach it to who, instead of fi who, I'm going to say fi. So go ahead and attach all of fi with all of these. So what's the first one? In it, fihi, hima, right? So it's usually huma, but because of the ya with the sukoon, it's hima. Okay, keep going. Fihim,
فيها
fiha,
فيهما
fihima. It's usually hunna, but it's gonna be
فيهن
fihinna. Okay, and then in you,
فيك
keep going.
فيكما
Fikuma.
فيكم
Mhm.
فيكي
Mhm.
فيكما
Mhm.
فيكن
Good. In me, fi.
في
Actually, is it fi or fiya? Hold on. It might be fi. I think it's. Do you have that right there? And then fina, right? In us. Yeah, you have. They have this one, but it's filled in. Yeah. But yeah, you just attach it to all of them, right? So, in it is fihi. Okay, fihi in it is what?
10 students 10 new students
10 new students, right? عشرة طلاب جدد, right? Um, and then we said for the numbers, right, that whatever number you have, عشرة, let's say, عشرة طلاب, let's leave جدد, right? So what's عشرة طلاب grammatically? مضاف مضاف إليه, right? So عشرة is your مضاف, and then طلاب is your مضاف إليه. Okay, so you basically have, you don't say asharatun, you always cut it down, right? And there's no al here, so you say asharatu, and then this one you just leave it without the al, even though usually it has the al. Here you don't put the al there, you just say tullabin. Okay, so you use the plural form, but you make it majroor for the mudaf ilayhi. Asharatu tullabin.
So why I was listening to the video. In that it said that from Talata to Ashadu it's always plural.
Yes.
It's always mudaf mudaf. After 10, 11 is not like that.
No, the rules sort of change, so we're gonna learn that.
So
Inshallah.
Wahid and Ithin is also not like that because they are
Wahidun and Isnani are not, they're adjectives. So if I want to say one student, how do I say that?
Wahid, Talibun,
I'm gonna say talibun
or Talibun, Wahid.
wahidun, right?
Oh, so Wahidun comes later.
Yes. So because it's an adjective, so the
Oh.
adjective, one is an adjective for talibun,
Okay.
and talibun is only one student, right? So you don't use the plural for that, obviously, because it's one. But when you're talking about 3 or 10, or between 3 and 10, then you're going to say tullabin. And the same thing with 2 students. So it's like one student, but you say talibani ithnani. So ithnani comes after the talibani. Okay, brother, let's move to the next one.
Al-Mudir.
Yeah.
Min aynahum
Okay.
kulluhum min baladin wahidin.
Okay, what does that mean? Aina hum mean?
Where are you from?
No. Aina hum.
Where are they from?
Where are they from?
Are you from?
What's a kulluhum?
Kulluhum.
Yeah.
Is a question, right?
So kullu plus hum. All of
all of them
from
one country.
Are all of them from the same basically you're asking are they all from the same country, or all of them from one country? So kulluhum is all of them, right? How would you say all of them, but you're talking about all women? Kulluhunna. And how would you say all of us? Kulluna, right? Okay, brother Salim, read the next one.
لا هم من بلاد
بلاد مختلفة Okay, what is that? What's la?
Yes.
No,
No.
it's the opposite. هم من بلاد مختلفة. What does that mean?
But they're from the same country.
They are, no, مختلفة means different, right? So they're from different countries. Keep going.
منهم ثلاث ثلاثة
Mm-hmm.
طلاب
Mm-hmm.
من
Philippines.
الفلبين.
Okay, what does that mean? منهم ثلاثة طلاب من الفلبين. So منهم means from them. Three are from.
From Philippines.
Three students are from Philippines. Okay.
وأربعة
Mm-hmm. طلاب.
طلاب من اليابان.
Okay, what does that mean?
حمزة.
Four.
Four of them from Lebanon.
Japan, Japan. Okay.
وطالب
طالبان
طالبان من
صيني.
الصين.
Okay, that means two are from.
From China.
Okay.
طالب واحد من
Malaysia.
ماليزيا.
Yeah. So
One from Malaysia.
one student from Malaysia. Okay. The next one. So all of in that one, like we said, all of those numbers are there. So you have three students, ثلاثة طلاب, and four students is. How do you say four students? How did they say it? أربعة, right? أربعة طلاب. And then you say two students like طالبان, one student طالب واحد. Okay. Sister Shri, next one.
في فصلك طلاب أمريكي
America. Okay, what does that mean?
in your class,
Mm-hmm. So to make it a question, you would say, are there?
are there students in your class from America?
From America. Okay, Brother Paul.
نعم فيه فيه سبعة طلاب
Mm-hmm.
من أمريكا.
Okay, translate.
Yes.
In it, or yeah, basically there are.
There are 7 students from America.
Okay. Next one, Brother Nazmul.
هم جددا
What does that mean? Jududun.
are they
What's jududun the plural of?
jadid?
Jadidun, right? So are they?
Are they all new?
Are they new, right? So those students are new. So why are you using jududun instead of jadidun? Because you're talking about. What are you talking about?
Uh,
Students, right? So you're talking about humans, so you have to use the jududun form. If you were talking about 7 new, I don't know, desks or something, you would use a feminine singular.
So then that will be jadid.
Jadidatun.
Jadidatun.
But he's talking about students. Okay, next one, Brother Salim.
لهم علماء.
Qudama. Okay, what's Qudama the plural of? Anyone? Shireen? Qadimun, right? So you have Qadimun, which means what?
Old.
Old, right? Qadimun. And then to make it plural, you say Qudama. Okay. This ya does not have the two dots in it, so it's just qudama. You say the meme with a fatha, and you stretch it qudama. Okay. So should we next one?
But it was two of them, then you said Kodamani.
قديمان هما قديمان. أوروبا. What's أوروبا? Europe, right? So what's the sentence? What's the question asking? What's كم طالبا? How many students? How many students in it from Europe? Okay. Brother Paul, next one.
فيها
Not ha.
فيه
Mm-hmm.
فيه خمسة طلاب
Mm-hmm.
من إن- إنجلترا
Mm-hmm.
وثمانية طلاب من ألمانيا
Mm-hmm.
وستة طلاب من فرنسا
Mm-hmm.
وتسعة طلاب من
من
اليونان.
اليوناني. All right, that was a mouthful. What does it mean? What's فيه خمسة طلاب من إنجلترا?
In it, 5 students from England
Uh-huh.
and 8 students from
What's Almania?
Albania.
Germany.
Germany.
Mm-hmm. And ستة.
6 students from France
Mm-hmm.
and 9 students from Al-Yunan.
What's Yunani? Anyone? I think it came up before.
Israel.
Huh?
Iran, Israel.
No. They call that
Yeah.
Palestine.
Yes, thank you.
No. Yunani is Greece.
Greece, okay.
Okay. All right, so let's do the exercises. So the first one is basically all of the same that we've done, right? The ثلاثة طلاب أربعة طلاب خمسة طلاب, all of these are طلاب that are just students. 3 students, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So basically, all you have to keep in mind is that the number, you put it first, and then you give the plural of whatever thing that you're saying. Okay. All right. Let's do the اقرأ واكتب, and then I guess yeah, we'll do the اقرأ واكتب, and then you'll get some of the exercises for homework, inshallah. All right. Let's do اقرأ واكتب number 120. Mhm. Mhm. ثلاثة. Okay, what does that mean? With me, or I have. Mhm. 3 pens, right? أقلام is the plural of قلم, and كتب is the plural of كتاب, right? So I'm going to ask you these plurals just so that they get in your head. Brother Paul, next one. Yep.
خالد
خالد.
خالد له
Mhm.
ستة
Mhm.
أبناء
أبناء,
أبناء
right? So it's مضاف مضاف إليه, so the أبناء has to be مجرور. Okay, what does the sentence mean?
Khalid has 6
What's
sons.
sons, right? What's the singular form? What's singular for أبناء? Ibnun. Ibnun, and plural is أبناء. Alright, Brother Najmul.
كم أخا لك يا عمينة?
What does that mean?
How many brothers do you have? Yeah.
Okay.
لي أربعة إخوة.
Not إخوة.
إخوة.
إخوة, right? What does that mean?
I have 4 brothers.
I have 4 brothers. Good. Brother Salim. Fil. أسبوعي. Mhm. Mhm. أيام. Okay, what's fil أسبوعي mean? Brother, anyone else? Help him out. What's أسبوع? Almost. What? Yeah, I said everyone, all of them except the one that it is.
The week.
A week. Okay, what's day? Huh?
يوم.
Yawmun. Okay. And what's week? Usbu'in. And then what's month? شهر. شهر رمضان الذي. شهر. And how do you say year? It was in the last lesson. It's sana.
Month, we cannot say month. Month. I don't know what is that Urdu word? Month from that.
Mahina.
Month.
No. How do you say month in Bangla?
Month.
March. So it's shahrun is month. Sanatun is year. Also, you'll see amun. Amun also means year. Okay? But it's referring to a specific year. Like if I say amul, like in the year of the Prophet ﷺ was born, it was called amul fil, the year of the elephant. But just a year is sanatun. Okay. So what does the sentence mean? Fil usbu'i, in the week are 7 days, right? So ayyamun is the plural of yawmun. So yawmun plural is ayyamun. Okay, it's in the Quran. Shri, next one.
ريالا
Mhm,
عندك
mhm.
أنا يا
الآن.
الآن يا عمار.
Okay, what does that mean?
How many riyals do you have now?
How many reals do you have now, Ammar? Okay, what does he say?
Do you have, right?
Yeah, عندك, right?
عندي المال
الآن
الآن
ثمانية ريالات. Okay, what does that mean? الآن means now. ثلاثة. ثمانية is 8 reals. So I have 8 reals now. Brother Paul, next one.
This is number 10 or
6.
9?
ستة.
6.
ستة.
في هذا
الحي.
الحي. الحي.
مهم.
بس 9 بيوت.
بيوت.
جديدة.
Are you gonna say جديدة or جديدة or جديدة?
جديدة.
Why?
Because the one before it is بيوت.
Okay, what does that have to do with anything? Why are you saying, why are you following the one right before it? It's an adjective, right? So adjective follows the noun that it's describing. Okay, what's في هذا الحي? What's حي?
I don't know what حي is.
Okay, it's city district, right? الحي. So in this district,
In this district, 9 بيوت.
what's بيوت in the plural?
9 new houses.
9 new houses, right? So بيوت is the plural of
بيت.
بيت. Brother Najmul, number 7.
لهذا السيارة
لهذه.
لهذه
لهذه السيارة. Actually, it's لهذه السيارة.
لهذه السيارة 4 أبواب.
Okay, what does that mean?
This car has 4 doors.
MashaAllah. Brother studying number 8. ثمن. What does that mean? ثمن means لا تشتروا بآياتي ثمنا قليلا. Price, right? What's the price for this book? Okay. ثمنه 7 ريالات ونصف. Okay, what's ثمنه 7 ريالات? What's ثمنه? Someone help? Not it costs, its price. ثمنه is the price of it. Is how many? What's 7? 7 riyals. What's ونصف? Half, right? So I don't think we came across this. نصف is half. 7.5 riyals.
Do they distinguish between price and cost? Like there's different words for it?
Not sure. Like if you say the cost of, I don't know, the car versus the price of the car. I'm sure there is a word. I haven't come across it. Okay. Tishri, next one. Let's try to finish in the next two. Mm-hmm. قدامى. جدود. Okay, what does that mean?
In this class,
Mm-hmm.
10 students in this class.
What's قدامى?
10 old students.
Yep.
And 4 new students.
MashaAllah. Brother Paul. We are going quick.
Number 10.
We're supposed to be going quicker. 10, yes.
كم قميصان. Oh, كم
Not قم, it's كم.
كم قميصان
Mm-hmm.
عندك يا
إبراهيم.
إبراهيم.
What does that mean?
How many
Okay, what does he say?
عندي
Mhm.
4 خمسان
خمسان.
خمسان.
Okay, what does that mean?
I have
What's أربعة?
4
Four
shirts.
shirts. We're gonna move.
عندي ريالان
Mhm.
وخمسة قروش.
Okay, what does that mean?
عندي means I have
Mhm.
ريالان
What's ريالان?
2 reals.
2 reals.
2 reals and 5 20th. 5 of
Is that what it says?
Qurush says 128.
I think it was like a coin denomination. Yeah. Last one, brother said.
How would you say that 5 20th or like 5 minutes?
I think qurush is like coins, like
Okay.
5, yeah, 20 coins.
في هذه
الحافلة
الحافلة عشرة
ركاب. Okay, what does that mean? This one's actually, I don't think we've come across these books. What's في هذه الحافلة? What's حافلة? I don't think it's come up before.
bus.
Bus, yeah. How'd you figure it out? Oh, it's in the next one. Yeah, so al-hafila is bus. Okay, so in this bus
26
are 10. Okay, what's rukkab? The singular is it's passenger. So this one passenger or single passenger is rakibun.
so 10 passengers.
10 passengers. So rakibun is passenger. Plural is rukkabun. Passenger. All right, so if you didn't come to class, I guess if you weren't here, then you would have to do Iqra Waktub, but we already did that. But it's still a good idea if you want to write some of these down. Do exercise number 3. So it just basically asks, مثال, the example is, so it says أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية مستعملا العدد مذكور بين القوسين. So it says answer the following questions using the number of the number inside the brackets. So the مثال, the number is 3. So the question they ask is how many books do you have? كم كتابا عندك? So you have to use it with 3. You say عندي ثلاثة كتب. So the first one is 5, the next one is 4. So do that exercise, write those answers out. Number 4 you can skip. Actually, no, do number 4, it's the only one. So so it says اكتب الأعداد من 3 إلى 10 واجعل كلا من الكلمات الآتية معدودا لها. So basically write like 3 books, 4 pens, 5 merchants, 6, da 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 da. So just write that out. Okay.
So then all have tanween, majroor, right?
Yeah. Yep. And then I guess we'll go over this. I don't know if we have class on Friday. We might not. So inshallah, if not, then I'll see you on Monday. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.